Hey, welcome to the Chatbotic world. So this is the demo video of Chatbotic, the game-changing AI chatbot solution. So to log in into the Chatbotic, you need to provide that email address and password and simply click the login. Then you can see the Chatbotic dashboard. So this is the very simple dashboard. As a first step to add a chatbot to your website, you need to add your website in the Chatbotic dashboard. So simply click the website bots and click the plus button. Then it will ask you to enter your website basic details. So here I just simply put my website name and the URL of the website. Then I need to pick the role of the chatbot to my website. So you can pick the many of these roles. So in my case, I simply pick the customer service executive. So the customer service executive for my website as the chatbotic role and simply click the save. So then immediately the website is added in the Chatbotic dashboard. So now the second step, I need to train my chatbot to respond the customer inquiries with related to my business or services. So for that, I simply click this icon, the edit website content. Then here, either I can manually type, give the details about my website or business or service offerings, or simply click the get website content data. It will pull the data from my website, right? So in this case, I already type the something about my business. So I'm going to use that content. I simply copy and paste those content here. I just ensure my business name is mentioned here. Okay, then I simply click the save button. That's it. Now our chatbot is get trained. Now I need to embed this chatbot in the website withrinya.com. So for that, first I need to get the embed code of the chatbot. So for that, I simply click this get code button. Then it will open the customized chatbot. So this is the customized chatbot section. Here I can change the chatbot appearance with my brand style. Okay, so before that, I just wanted to show you. So this is the website. I'm going to put the chatbot here. So right now there is no chatbot is available in this website. Okay, so what I'll do, I just go back to this chatbot and customize my chatbot. The primary color I pick, I just trying to match with the website brand color name. So it's has 0ACCB7, right? So this is the color of my brand, and the secondary color I put something related to this. I just pick this, it's fine. Okay, so whether I want to show that email lead form before starting the chat or not, I can do it by clicking this checkbox. If I tick this, the email lead form will display in the chat window before the chat session is started. And also the mode of the chat window, whether it should be a maximized mode or in the minimized mode, I can choose this. And the toggle footer is just, you may give the favor for our website link in your website, whether you can choose the toggle footer or not. Okay, and I choose the secondary color as simply this. Okay, so by default my chatbot should be in the chat window minimized. So once I did all the customization, simply click this embed code, the embed code copied to the clipboard. Now I go back to my websites. In the header section of my website, this is the WordPress website. For each website has the different option to add the HTML code. The main part is you just add the HTML code of our chatbot in your web page header section. So in this case, I just paste in the header section of the web page and click the save changes. So it's getting saved. Yeah, it's saved. So as I shown you earlier, my website doesn't have any chatbot. So now I simply refresh this website. Yes, the chatbot is displaying here. Let's see, if I click it, it will just open it. You see the chatbot's look and feel is just matched with my website's brand aesthetics, right? So now let's just try something with the chatbot, how it is responding back to us. Let's see. So where exactly? What? Okay. I just asked this question to the chatbot. It is typing something. So we are located at so and so address. You can visit us during our business hours. If you have any further questions or would like to schedule an appointment, please feel free to contact us to the email address. It is asking this. So now I'm also going to ask something. I asked this question, why do I choose you for my digital marketing needs? So now the chatbot is typing to respond back to my questions in intelligent way. So I have typed, thanks, I'm interested in your brand visibility service. Let me know more details on this. Let's wait how the chatbot is responding back to this question. So this is the result. So our service includes a free brand evaluation report. So you see, when the user entered their email address, it's immediately recorded that as a lead, and it also asking their mobile number to record further. So in this case, I just put some fake mobile number as mine. Okay, it's recorded. So let's come back to our Chatbotic dashboard to see how it looks like. So to see the leads information, just click this icon, leads, and it will display whatever leads your chatbot is collected, that will display it separately here, and you can export all the data into the Excel. Suppose if you want to do the real-time integration, when the user entered their lead information in the chat session, immediately you want to send those information to other websites, then you can simply integrate this leads section with the Zapier. So for that, what you need to just log in into your Zapier account. So in my case, this is my Zapier account. Click the create Zap. And in the trigger section, just type Chatbotic and pick the Chatbotic. It's very slow for me. And choose the event. Event is new lead. When the new leads is get entered in any of the chat session, this trigger will trigger. This Zap will get triggered. Okay, click the continue. And you need to choose the account of your chatbot. So for that, you need to pick the chatbot. So in this case, I already added, but if you are in your case, you need to click the create new account, right? So in this, it will ask you So in this, you need to provide the API key. So where you can find this API key, it's very simple. Just go back to your Chatbotic dashboard and click the My Profile section. So here you can find your Zapier API key. Simply copy this and come back to this page and paste this and click the yes, continue to Chatbotic. That's it. So now your Chatbotic account gets connected with your Zapier account. So then you can do any action you want. Otherwise, you can also see the chat histories. Whoever is chat with your chatbot in your website, you can see all the chat histories here. For that, simply click this chat history icon. Then it will load all the chats. So see here, this is the chat we did earlier. So that chat is displaying here. Suppose if it is the very long chat session, you cannot read one by one to understand what the user is asking and what the chatbot is responding back. Then you simply click this view summary to see the very long chat session with the few lines of sentences here. You see that long session of chat history is summarized in within the 2 to 3 sentences or a very short simple paragraph. So in this way, it will save you that lot of time to understand what the user has asked, what the chatbot has responded back. Right? So far we saw that website bots. In the same way, you can add your messenger bots also. So for that, simply click the plus button, then it will redirect you to the Facebook. And here you can connect your Facebook business pages or Instagram business pages to respond back to your social media visitors queries on the messenger side. In the same way how your website visitors get a response from chatbot, your social media visitors will get the response from the Chatbotic AI chatbot on the messenger itself.